Think about that, the lights. What do you think about the lights? Was just charging for a little bit. About to meet up with the squad, the suicide squad. You're about to see. Goes up the hill like nothing. Woo! Love that blue. Nice. Nice stuff in the suit. Looks nice. It's a clean look. I like it. Yeah, man. Be well. Huh? Oh, thank you. Yeah, thanks. Guy has a suit on. It's so slick. All right. Now we wait for the Suicide Squad. To look at the whip while we wait for them. What's up, man? What's going on? Good to see you again. ¿Cómo estás? What's up, fellas? Glad I can meet you guys. I had to turn. Oh, this shit is so bright. Nice. You put it on the side? Nice. That shit looks fire. How you doing? I always put it right here. Extra, extra. See? Even with the. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Before, always need that Velcro. Yeah. That Parkese pride. That's good. Yo, I was charging the whole time. Huh? I was charging the whole time. I'm up at 100 now. Perfect. Right over there. So we fucking lit. Right here. Look at that. The tiny ass camera. This is so fucking tiny. Vamos. Mr. E. Jailbroke.
We're about to just hit the park. Yeah, we're on this park.
Nice.
You going to Dumbo? Yeah. Hell yeah.
Yeah, you want to join us?
Yeah, we'll go through the park. Fuck yeah.
You guys just found us and you guys are joining
I
us?
was just going to go through the park, but I saw all these things spiked over here. I was like,
Fuck yeah, let's do it.
No, what is that?
Okay, so you gotta. Can I get your number? We'll add you to a group chat.
Yo, he has a girl. He has a girl, bro.
One girl. Well, there's two. There's another one over there.
Yo, I'm kidding, bro. Found this guy. He just saw us on our Super 73s and Surons, and he joined us. Him and his lady. Let's go. Think about the lights. That ain't mine. There you go. I need some. What's up, boss? You take card? Huh? Take card?
Yeah.
Okay. Is there a minimum? Because I just want to get a soda and maybe like a snack. I appreciate you. No seltzer water? gas prices is rising.
Yeah, but
What's going on? You guys gonna?
coming soon again.
Yeah. You guys gonna save a gallon for me? So when everything is gone, I have one.
No, only for delivery crisis. Delivery crisis. That's it.
Ah, okay, okay.
Have a good night.
Thank you. All right. You be well. All right, player. Be well. Hold on. Let me chug it. Let me chug it.
Oh, you got a can?
Hey, check.
Smooth brain move.
Drink that shit while you ride.
Smooth brain, bro.
I know. I think I might just do that. What the fuck is that? Probably your speaker. That shit is fire.
We got all the same shit, bro.
Nice.
It's like it was working. Yeah, it was really
Whoa. What about these? Like, does it run up?
No, bro, the suspension doesn't move here. It moves down here. It's an upside down floor.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Good, good, good.
10 miles.
Yeah.
You're only going 2 miles and I'm a charge.
Okay.
And you got a charge?
I got 2 miles.
You got two what?
10 miles left.
10 miles. There's a charging spot
Where we going?
in Long Island City.
That's where we going?
I don't know.
We're going to Dumbo.
Dumbo? Oh yeah, there is one in Dumbo. Dumbo? No, not Dumbo. Domino Park.
Oh, Domino.
Yeah, I always get confused. The same thing. Con el pelucho.
Yeah. Oh, my bad. I'm sorry.
That shit hot though.
That shit looks good. All right. Who want a shake? Who wants some Shake Shack though?
I'm about to do it myself.
¿Cómo?
I'm about to use the can.
Oh yeah, ¿te gustó?
But I'm going to come back. Let me see.
You gotta see the options, man. This place is sick. Yeah. And nothing. Taquito? What you eating over here? I can't even pronounce that.
Yeah, I can.
That's how you know you should get it. You don't even know how to pronounce it. How do you pronounce that?
Gnocchi.
Gnocchi. Con zucchini. That's right.
Good.
I'm not riding. Yeah.
What you got? Like type? What you
Buffalo
got?
mac and cheese. Buffalo chicken.
Buffalo chicken mac and cheese.
Sure. That's what you got? Yeah, that's what I got when we went to that place last week.
We are finito for today.
We're blocking the bike lane.
Yeah, I'm out. Peace. Later, guys.
You coming with us, right?
Ay, el terror. Peace, guys. Good hanging out with you guys. See you, homie. Head out the other way. Yo, I'll see you later. Right, Lucky. Cuídese. See you guys. Get home safe, guys. Get home safe. Yo, I'm gonna message you, okay? You have my IG, right? You have my Instagram, right?
Yeah.
All right, message me, okay?
All right, bro.
All right, later, bro. Be safe. Be safe.